Glowy Makeup Serum to moisturize and prep my skin for makeup. I'm applying the green color to hide the redness on my face, and most of my acne scars are on my forehead, so I'm focusing on that area. This is my favorite foundation and I've been using this since my college days. It's very lightweight and it provides a silky smooth finish. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend the product on my face, and if you notice, the shade is also a hit or miss because most Korean foundations have lighter shades. The foundation only has 3 shades and I'm using the second shade, which is Beige. For my concealer, I chose a shade which is similar to my foundation so that way it would look even. This is another favorite of mine because with just a little amount, it's able to deliver coverage and the consistency is very creamy. It's also lightweight like their Airy Ink foundation. You can see how well it covers my acne scars, and I also find it easier to use my fingers to blend the product since I can control the weight on my hands. To complete my base, I'm using a loose powder to absorb the excess oil on my face, and I'm applying it using circular motions. I'm also focusing on my T-zone since that area gets oily after some time. For this Korean-inspired look, I'm just going for a light contour. Most Korean makeup tutorials actually skip the contouring part, but since I have a very round face, it's very important for me to contour just to add a bit of dimension on my face. Of course, I didn't forget to contour my nose. My nose gets oily after a few hours, so I prefer to use cream since it lasts longer compared to powder. I'm always aiming for that drunk blush look when I'm applying blush, but I'm careful not to put too much because I want it to look natural. The trick here is to flatten the brush when you're applying on the nose area. I'm applying highlight on my cheekbones, my brow bone, and the bridge of my nose. I like how the secret meme from Etude House creates a subtle shimmer on my face, which is also perfect for everyday looks. My brows are naturally uneven and I find it really difficult to fill them in, so yeah, I'm just gonna do my best to make them look symmetrical. After brushing my brows with a spoolie, I'm filling them in with a gray eyebrow pencil. Then, I'm using a brow pomade to line the edges. I'm not really aiming for Instagram brows, I just want them to look natural and even. I usually use rose or peach eyeshadows because it looks more youthful. I'm taking the darker shade of pink and applying it on the creases of my eyes. And I'm taking a fluffy brush to blend the product. I'm not sure if the camera shows it, but I'm using a lighter shade of pink for my lids. To add dimension on my eyes, I'm using a light brown color and I'm applying it on the crease. Then, I'm applying a light pink shade on my lower lash line. I always add glitter on my eye makeup for an eye-catching playful look. The glitter isn't really obvious on camera, but I'm applying a mixture of rose gold and pink glitter on the creases of my eye and a mixture of white and gold glitter on the inner lids. Koreans are known for their teary eye looks, and I'm recreating that by applying a rose gold eyeliner on my waterline. Afterwards, I'm taking a bit of glitter and I'm applying it on my tear ducts and my waterline. I don't want the glitter to be too shocking, so I'm blending it out. This part is a bit tricky, and if you can notice, I'm struggling a little bit because I'm not used to holding a mirror while applying eyeliner, so I'm just gonna show you a picture of how my eyeliner should turn out. I'm also using a deep brown shade because it looks more natural compared to black. I'm putting concealer on the top and bottom of my eyebrows so it would look more defined. I actually forgot to do this earlier, but it's better to do this after you've done your brows so your eye makeup won't be ruined like what happened to mine. I'm curling my eyelashes before applying mascara because later on I would be putting on magnetic lashes. So yeah, I'm just casually applying mascara on my eyelashes. I'm using the magnetic lashes from Luxx Lash, and I have another video dedicated for this. I struggled applying the lashes while holding a mirror, so I did some parts off camera. If you watched my everyday makeup routine, I'm actually using the same lip routine for this tutorial. This shade looks brighter than it is in person because in person it looks more natural. So yeah, that's it for my Korean inspired makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed.